Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn about a framework, LWC, Apex Class Trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. In the previous lesson, we have learned how to create a custom formula field to display image in formula field in Salesforce. So friends, in the previous lesson, we have learned how to upload image into a static resource, and that static resource image we will be called into the formula field, and based on the formula field, I will be display static resource image into the Salesforce page. In this lesson, we will be learn how to calculate early income based on monthly income using a formula field in Salesforce. So friends, in this lesson, we will be learn how to calculate early income based on monthly income. So we will be created two field. First field is a early income, that is a formula field. Second field will be monthly income. So friends, here we will be calculate the monthly income, and based on the monthly income, we will be display the early income into the formula field in Salesforce. So now let me share my screen where will we see live demo scenario how to calculate early income based on monthly income through formula fill in Salesforce. So now let's get started. In this lesson, we will be learn how to calculate early income based on monthly income using a formula fill in Salesforce. So friends, in this lesson, we will be calculate early income based on the monthly income, and calculated monthly income we will be display into the formula field, that is a early income. So here we will create two field, that is a early income and monthly income. So early income will be formula field, monthly income will be number type. So here we will be calculate monthly income based on the formula field and display the monthly income into the early income. So friends, follow this step to achieve this scenario. To achieve this scenario, we need to follow four type of steps. Step number one, step number two, step number three, and step number four. So friends, in the step number one, first we need to create a formula field. First select your object name, then click on the field and relationship. Here I am creating a formula field for the early income. So select formula, then click on the next button. Then go on the step number two. In the step number two, define your formula field name. Then field name will be automatically populated. After that, you need to select data type. So here will be select data type number, because here will be display the income of number. Then go to the step number three. In the step number three, we will be create a formula field. This is a text editor where we will be write a function of formula field. In the right side, you can see there is a function. So friends, here will be selected condition and insert selected function. So if you click on the select inserted function, the function will be automatically populated inside the text editor. And there are two type of tabs, simple formula and advanced formula. So here I am selecting advanced formula. After writing a formula, we need to check a syntax. So friends, you can see there is a button to check a formula syntax error. So if not getting found error in the syntax, then we will be save the formula function. Then in the step number four, let me see the exact scenario. So friends, in this lesson, we will be learn how to calculate monthly income and display into the early income. So here I will be create a formula field, that is a early income, and there is a custom field, this is a monthly income. So we will be calculate monthly income, and we will be display inside the formula field, that is a early income based on the formula. So friends, now let me jump to my Salesforce or where we will see live demo scenario how to calculate monthly income and display the calculated monthly income into the early income in Salesforce. So this scenario will be achieved through the formula field. So now let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce potential or first go to the gear icon, click on the setup, then go on the object manager. First I will be create a custom field, that is a monthly income. So first select your object name here. Here I will be create a custom field and formula field on the student object. So here I am searching student. This is object. Go to the field and relationship. Then click on the new. First I will create a field name. So friends, here I will be select number. Next. So here I will be write a field name. Field name would be monthly income. Monthly income. Then go next, visible for all profile. Next, save and new. So first I created a monthly income, then I will create a new field for the formula field. So now select formula, then next, right now I will put a name early income. Early income, this is a formula field. Then field name will be automatically populated. Then select your data type, number. Next, here I will write my formula field. So friends, here you can see this is a simple formula, this is advanced formula. So here I am selecting advanced formula, and here I will be write my function. Friends, here I am calculating monthly income and display to the early income. So first I will insert field student. I created a monthly income field, monthly income, insert. Then here I will apply operator. Operator will be used multiply 12 because there are 12 months in a 1 year. So friends, here I am calculating early income based on the monthly income. So here I will be multiplied from 12. Then check syntax error. You can see no error syntax found here. Then save the formula field. So then go to next, visual for all profile. Next, and save. Formula field has been saved successfully. Now let me go on the Salesforce. Let me open record of student. Let me open Vijay. So friends, here you can see I created two field, monthly income and early income. So refresh the page. Here will be find your newly created field, monthly income and early income. So friends, right now it is a blank. Now let me edit the record. Now here I will put a monthly income. So if I putting the monthly income, early income automatically calculate and display here. Let me suppose I am putting 1000 monthly income and save the record. It will be calculated from 12 and display automatically in the early income here. Let me save the record. You can see if I putting monthly income 1000, then early income automatically populated here. This is a formula field. This is a custom field. So based on the monthly income, I am populating the early income here. Let me edit once again. Now I am putting 1000 to 4000. Monthly income 4000. So friends, if I putting monthly income 4000, it will be automatically calculate and display in the early income. So now let me save the record. You can see it is automatically calculate from monthly income and display the early income. So friends, now let me create a condition here. The condition will be add if monthly income greater than 25,000, then it will calculate and display into the early income. Otherwise, not calculate. So friends, right now I am not adding any kind of the condition. So friends, now let's change the scenario. I will add a condition if monthly income greater than 25,000, then it will be calculate and display the early income. Now let me go back on the formula field. This is a field relationship. My formula field name is early income. This is a monthly income I created, and this is a early income, that is a formula field. So now I will be add a condition inside the formula field. If monthly income greater than 25,000, then it will be added, otherwise not added. So first I will be add a condition, if condition from right side. If, and inside the if condition, I will be check value if monthly income greater than 25,000. So friends, here you can see in the if condition, there are three type of the value. This is a condition, this is a true value, this is a false value. So first I will be use a condition here. Condition is if monthly income, this one monthly income greater than 25,000, then here I will be display the calculated. So here I will be calculate the monthly income. So monthly income multiply, use operator for multiply 12. If monthly income greater than 25,000, then we are calculating monthly income into 12. Otherwise, it will be null. And remove the previous function. So friends, here I am adding a condition. If monthly income greater than 25,000 rupees, then monthly income will calculate from 12. Then display the monthly income into the early income of formula field. Otherwise, it will be display null. Now let me check the syntax. There are no error found. Then now I am saving the formula field and go on the page and refresh the page. Now friends, you can see early income is blank because monthly income is not greater than 25,000 rupees. So criteria are not matched. If I editing the record and I putting it 30,000 and save the record, that means criteria will be fulfilled and it will be calculate monthly income and display into the early income here. Now let me save the record. You can see, friends, you can see if I putting more than 25,000 rupees, it will be automatically calculate and display the monthly income into the early income here. Now let me put less than 25,000 rupees. Now let me put 20,000. Now save the record. It will display blank because criteria are not matched. In the formula field, I add a condition if monthly income greater than 25,000, then it will be calculated, otherwise not calculate. So if I putting below the 25,000, it will display blank. But if I putting more than 25,000 up 25,000, then display the calculated value into the early income. Now let me edit once again and putting the value more than 25,000. Let me put 40,000. Now save the record. It will be automatically calculate and display the calculated value into the formula field here. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal org. If you getting any kind of issue, please write in comment box. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search TechW3 Web, then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get that is working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.